create Revolut Junior account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create your Revolut Junior account. So first of all, just open your Play Store or your Apple Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Revolut Junior, and you will be able to see the Revolut under 18 app in your device. Just simply tap on it and install the application in your device, and once the application is installed in your device just simply click on open. And over here, in order to create your account, you have two options. Either you can go ahead and log in into your Revolut under 18 account if you already have an account with Revolut. If you don't have an account with Revolut as of now, just simply click on create a new account right here from the bottom. Just simply tap on it. And now just mention your date of birth in the date of birth section. The first step, just click on continue and select your country or region right here. And now it is asking you to connect your Revolut account with your Revolut under 18 account. So for example, if your parents have a Revolut account for themselves, just simply get the Revolut app in your device, and after that just simply connect both the application together so that your parents have the access to your under 18 account while you're using it for security reasons. Just simply click on get the Revolut app, and after that just log into your Revolut account with your parents' credentials, for example, and once both the apps are linked, your Revolut Junior account will be created. So this is basically how you will be able to create your Revolut Junior account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.